Hello, my name is Adam, and welcome to your Swords of Secret devlog update. This is the first one that we have done, and we hope to be bringing more of these to you on a regular basis. This is Ray. He's one of our lead developers and has been working tirelessly over the last few months with the team to make huge improvements. We've had some shifting around at Future House, which has allowed us to dedicate more time and energy to building and developing swords for you for the last couple of months. And so we're really excited about the improvements that have been made. Ray, what are some of the big improvements that have happened in the last few months on the game?
I mean, plenty. I remember I poked in a while ago to help with some early combat prototyping design of seeing the game from that stage. And watching the rate of growth from that time till we did shifting over into the last couple months has been crazy. We've been pushing a lot of stuff in the last few months.
So much more fun.
Speaking of that one, combat's my favorite corner, so we've been doing a lot of stuff to improve with that. New animations are in for all the monsters. Fleshing out their attacks to help give them a bit more unique patterns for players to play around with. Improving reaction time for player movement, giving the player a bunch of new abilities.
Player feedback, flashing. Oh, the rage.
The
rage.
Rage mechanics.
We're gonna need a whole devlog just on combat.
Yes.
It's so much fun, and we're really excited about what's happening there.
To help support with that, we've got now abilities and unique spreadsheets set out for all the different weapons. Oh, all the swords are now in.
All the swords are now in. They all have unique VFX. Those aren't the final VFX, but they give you an idea how to differentiate your swords and what the different abilities are.
Yep. So they should all have some distinct flavor to them, and they should all and they're all started out to actually play significantly different from each other. Some are faster, some are slower, some lean into more abilities than others, so you'll have to play to see all the details there.
What about the big improvements in the back-end systems?
Back-end. The big side of that one has been just whack-a-mole with all the bugs that have been popping up. We've been getting those out, streamlining the play process, and just getting the game in better shape. And two is the server. We've been getting... patching the server, getting that online, so basically we can have a lot more infrastructure and be able to do some live updates. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Oh no. It's basically the back end server. Everything was existing on the client or on the app on your phone, and we needed to move that to the back end server to make it more secure and also so we can push live updates to everybody. So it's a huge architectural change, but it's something that is very important for mobile games, especially when they're live service games like this one, where we can make updates on the fly and fixes on the fly for everyone.
Yeah, for example, we're hitting the point where I'm going to be looking at doing loot resource balancing, making sure that we can give you guys that we're giving items to the players at an appropriate amount, and giving players ways to spend those to help power themselves up. As we're patching that, it's a lot faster to be able to do that with the server, because then it's just push the changes there and everyone automatically gets it, rather than us having to crunch out a new build of the game and have everyone do app updates. That's annoying.
There's also been some major improvements in the systems for the way the strongholds operate, squashing bugs there, the way the obelisks work, and also just UI factors. We're building in an upgrade system and improving the upgrade system for the various buildings and the POIs that you run into. So really, it's these last couple months have been spent making sure all the systems work and that they work together, and that those game loops can be fun and engaging. Ray, did I miss anything else? UI improvements a little bit.
Yep, UI. Oh, right, setting the tutorial.
Setting tutorials.
Yeah, adding some tutorializing. Just trying to get things ready for onboarding for new players. We've added in some basic tutorials for here's how to fight, here's how to access your inventory, working with your quest log. We try to make these guys as condensed as fast as possible. Because, for veteran players, nobody likes going through the tutorial stage over and over again. Let's be real, but it is needed for people on their first time. And I feel like we're hitting a good balance of making it quick and efficient, while still teaching everyone the stuff they need to know.
Oh, also, major balancing pass. Have we talked about that? I don't think we have really gone into that much.
That is still slightly under wraps right now. That should be coming in with the next update that we're sending you guys, but we've got a bunch of new resources mostly around the monsters to help diversify your loot grinding, and then a bunch of new interesting ways to spend them, specifically making upgrades more unique and dynamic. Previously, all the weapons and all the armor had the exact same upgrade tables, so you're spending the same resources every time for every piece, which is functional, but it's a little static. It gets stale over time. Swap those out to where it's, Amdithner Din, our big heavy sword, wants monster parts from Bulwarkos, and I think the other one was Gordrake. Bulwarko being because that's the big heavy that's the big heavy monster, so it gears towards that.
Yep.
Versus Vorpal Nocturne is a speedster. It's a speed-based sword, so it's going to run parts from the Gordrake, which is our fast, quick-acting monster. Or our magic-centric swords, spoilers, are focusing more on the Mulmarath, because it has a fire attack, or Slimes, because Slimes just speak to magic and potionry stuff. So, getting a lot of that, and same thing with POIs. Their upgrade tables will now be more personalized as well. So hopefully that'll keep the game more fresh and interesting.
To sum up, we've got a lot of things happening. We have 4 to 5 devs working full-time, dedicated on the project so that we can bring you swords as quickly as possible, which means also that there are going to be some exciting treasure hunts coming up while we're in beta, so that we can work with all of you to test all these features and get your feedback, and so we can hear what you like and ways to improve the game. So be watching for those updates, and be watching for the next upcoming treasure hunt, and be watching for future devlogs from us here at Future House Studios. We'll see you soon.
Stay sharp.